guys, welcome back. It is Vlogmas day number 19 for me. And don't worry, these days will catch up. I know you guys are at 20 by now, but you know my birthday was over here and I started celebrating and had to stop vlogging around the 16th. And then you guys got the 17th and 18th on yesterday. You're getting the 19th today. And then we will go ahead and even those other two out. So let me know what you guys want to see. All right. See you in the vlog. Guys, we are here for Joshua's first haircut, which is going to be over there. I got to get him out of here, and I hope this don't be a disaster.
Okay.
Okay. Come on. Give me your hand. Put the banana in the other hand, Joshua, please. I need to hold this hand. Hold, Lord Jesus. Put it in that hand. Put that, thank you. Hold your banana there. Okay. Come on. You ready to get a haircut? Wait, let me lock the door first. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Alright. No, Ashley not gonna be here. It's just me and you today. Okay. Step up. Alright. Haircut. Hold on. My God. Go ahead. Hello. Whew. How you doing? Hold on a minute. I gotta call and find out who he had this appointment with. I just want y'all to see me. Okay, close up. Look at the sweat on me from wrestling with Joshua to get his hair cut. When I tell you he's straight cut up in there, oh my God. Y'all don't understand. They talking about when you call and make your appointment, we definitely gonna ask what's the name first. Talk about they gonna miraculously be booked. Oh my God, I'm so hot, sweat. And mind you, I had to have my mask on the entire time that I'm in there. Oh my God, I'm burning up. I couldn't even film it because I had to give him the phone to try to keep him at bay. And that still really did not work. They still couldn't even do it how they really wanted to. But they got all the sides down or whatever. Even look how many lollipops he got from acting a jack in there. And he just altered what that girl wanted to do. She's a bomb cutter. But yeah, anyway, let me I gotta let my window down. I'm burning up. I mean, just glistening from wrestling with this boy. I'll see y'all later. Oh, y'all, look what I came home to. My favorite meal. Just came back from the brat getting his haircut. He was horrible. He was horrible. She couldn't even really do her job. Oh, child, I am about to tear this up. My favorite Sunday meal, oxtail and rice. Whew, I'll never take Joshua again to get no haircut at all. At all. He was absolutely horrible. I mean, I wish I could have filmed that. That don't even make sense. We're going to have to book his appointment under another name because they're going to be like, we booked. All right, y'all. I'm ready to enjoy my Sunday dinner. Find out where Hubs is. And need to get Joshua a belt for his butt. Just look at me, y'all. She couldn't even line him up because he was going off so bad. Then he gonna jump down and talk about, oh, go Uncle House. Like, no, don't nobody want to see you. So this what Hubs got me. You know, my normal, right? But look what he got. Escabeche fish. Oh my God, with the peppers and onions and the gravy. Oh, I know that's gonna be good. He gonna have to let me have a little piece of that. You get back, Joshua. Let me get you one up out the way. Tell you two what you did. Get out my plate. Say I was being bad. Look at him. Look at the back of his head and stuff. She couldn't even touch the top because she says it was gonna end up with a bald spot and couldn't line them up. because he was, whew, just horrible. Little runt. All right, bye. Okay, family, so we're going to jump into one of my birthday presents that did arrive, and it is a Coach item. This is an unboxing. Okay, so this is how the item came, and I kept debating on this item and kept saying no, and you know how it goes. They go ahead, they add a discount code, and money's on top of money's, and then you're like, okay, boom, I want it. So I went ahead and I got this. Woo, this is my first time opening it. Isn't it so cute? I know you ladies have seen it. I love the fact it came as a gift box, just a gift set, period. I was going to buy this by itself, and then I said no. Then I was going to get the mirror. Didn't truly want the mirror. So I was like, you already have enough mirrors. And then I said, this would be nice for my AirPods and for any Coach pieces that I end up that match this. You know, the black brown is my favorite. This one is not, but I'm okay with a few pieces. So this is what, the case is large. I don't know if you've ever had it before. This is the case. Of course, it has Coach printed. It's not embossed here. And let's go ahead, get that open. You know, these are very sizable, so you can fit, you know, a lot of things in it. To me, in my opinion, it's deep. You know, I even believe you would be able to fit a credit card in here. Unfortunately, I don't have one readily available. Let me see if I can find something similar. I don't have, guys, I actually was preparing to go to bed. It's been a very long day. I'm kind of recovering from enjoying my birthday weekend. So, yeah, I plan to catch up on some things. I'll just use this card. It's the size of a credit card, just for you guys to see that a credit card would fit in there nicely. And definitely more than one. And let me just make sure you guys are able to see. I hope you can see very well. Okay, and of course it has the patch back there that says Coach, you know, all of that information there. And I'm going to take that out. I'm going to slide the little protectant out back here. Give me one moment if it'll come out. Okay, and it's like that Oxford blood color inside. But yeah, very spacious. I love that deep burgundy color there. I guess they call it the Oxford. So that's cute. It does not have anything to attach. So if you want to attach this to something, literally it's going to have to fit between here and this tab. And your best bet is going to be this hole here. And I do have something that I can show you. So I'll grab that after I show you this part. That's for your AirPods or whatever earphone device you have, because not everyone have Apple products. I do understand that. It does have the dog leash, so you can hook that to any of your straps that have the ability to, or you can hook it just outside of your, of course, your purse as well. And it's so cute. This is embossed. It's raised. You see that from the side. And we're going to, well, that fell right off. And this is magnetic, so it closes very easily. And I will see if my AirPods fit in there. Unfortunately, I would have to take them out of this case, because that's kind of like putting a case in a case. So I know this is not going to work. And I don't have the ability right now to, let's see, disconnect these. Oh, well, maybe I spoke too soon. I guess they've been in there so long that they're able to come right out. So it does fit. These are the Generation 2. So these still are like the long ones. The Generation 3 and the Pros are the short, wide ones. I tried those, didn't like those, so I took those back. And these have been working fine for me. They stay in my little tiny ears better. So I like these. I almost bought a new pair because they're on sale right now at Costco for $89.99. But I just said, you know what, they haven't broken yet, but I hope I won't be sorry and wish I had just grabbed a pair just because. But look how cute that is. I absolutely love this. This is going to be a short video, guys. I just wanted to add something on to day 19, which is Joshua trying to get a haircut. I absolutely wish I could have filmed that because you know what, I don't know. I don't even think I would have exposed him that way. I just would have, that would have been for my own memorabilia, just to show him what a hard time he used to give me. But yeah, guys, so I like this. This is cute. It makes you really want to, you know, keep your AirPods out and hang them on the back of something. Let me let you guys see what this goes with. The closest piece that I have to this, give me a moment, let me let you all see that. Okay, ladies, I'm back. So I just have them resting there, but I went on and I got you a gold chain if you want to be able to hold this as a wristlet. You guys know I showed this before. I got this now under a month ago, but I absolutely love it if you're trying to dress up a wristlet or your coin pouches. So this is actually too fat. It is too wide to go in there. So I would have to try to utilize something else that I have. Let me just see. Okay, so this chain, the head of this chain doesn't fit, so you would have to find something much more tiny to slip through there. But this is the piece I was saying that can go with all of my items. So if I'm carrying this now, I actually would opt to carry this as my wallet and put that on the inside. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I love that. That is cute. Now you're not all alone, Pinky. See, you were by yourself. This was the only piece I had in this tan color. Because, like I said, it's not that I don't like it. It's just not my fave. I just fell in love with the brown black. So, love that. And then I could just hook her on. And look at that. I love that a lot. This is super cute. There goes my back charm right there. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And I could even hook it like along here somewhere if I wanted to. And of course I would bring out my long crossbody strap and wear it that way. And then you possibly could hook this higher up on the long body strap. And you want to stick to gold. I have this gunmetal chain, but this wouldn't fit either because they're both the same type of head here, so that absolutely would not work. But this is super cute. I love this combination here. So now I have a sort of a little set I've created. Wow. Well, it's kind of falling on this side for some reason, but I could flip it back around and put it, you know. Well, let's just do that. Let's just do it. I'm not going to say it. I'm going to go ahead and throw it on there so you guys can see. I hate all this fumbling. It gets on my nerves. That's why sometimes I like to have them on there before I even present it. All right, so there you have it. That would be cute. And I wouldn't carry it with this short strap, of course. I would definitely go ahead and add, Joshua, please. I will go ahead and add my other one. But look at that. What a cute set. So I made me a complete set by getting this gift set. I think it is still on the site, guys, ladies. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. I recommend it. This is large enough to carry your cash and some cards. If you have any pieces in this color or with this floral print here, that's super cute. And then you could carry all of this into a larger bag. I do have a ton of stuff. I'll just show you guys because I know y'all probably say, she always saying that, but she not unboxing and she not showing. Because I have a bad habit. I don't like really unboxing and my stuff until I'm about to use it. Because now I have to store that stuff or I have to unpack it and then try to get it packed back. But give me a moment. So we have, boom, packs of stuff over here to unbox. That box is deep. That's brand new back there from Nordstrom's. There's some stuff in here. There's some stuff in here. And there's stuff in here and over there. So I do have a ton of stuff to show you guys and some other stuff. It's under another table, but I will get to it. But I do have a bag I want to show you guys that have that tan in it too. Okay, guys, so I looked at all of my chains, and the only thing I can recommend for you for this, if you want to be able to use it as a wristlet, is to go ahead and order you some of these in gold. I don't have any more, But I ordered a pack for my mom for do you see what I'm saying? The one that holds your bag charm. Your coat, this right here, this beaded one that interlocks. I would order probably one of those so that that can slip through, because this is so small. That's about all that's going to slip through there. And then they make these longer than this. I ordered some for my mom to make a shower curtain drop lower so that it would be even with the floor. And then they came like 50 a pack. So I would suggest just pay attention to this. This is what this looks like. Let's see if we could get that close. Okay. Maybe grab that. You could connect that on here. Or something very similar, something durable though, because these are not really made for a lot of weight, so you have to be careful with that as well. But definitely something that tiny that you can loop through there and carry this as a little wristlet. If not, let me go ahead and put it inside. You can use it for your wallet for this little Nolita 19. And there you have it. Everything fits. This is super cute. I love that. I am going to have to carry you soon, darling. I'm going to have to carry you soon. Yep, and you still have plenty of room because it's more wide. I mean, you know, yeah, wide than flat. You know, wide and flat than bulky. Like, it still, you know, gives you a lot of space in there. So I would do something like that, or one of your card cases. I do have a card case, but I haven't opened that yet, and I don't want to add that to this unboxing. But there you have it. Let me take it back out because it wasn't about the Nolita. We already showcased her jazzed up. So we would jazz her up with all the other stuff. If you didn't see that video, go check out my Jazz Up My Bag playlist and see how I did this bag. And then here are your accessories. So this might actually, you know, ignite you to want to purchase this little gift set if you have any pieces that match it, such as so. Thank you, ladies. I appreciate you hanging out with me and checking out my little unboxing of my gift set. Let me see exactly what it's named so you all will see. If you go on the site, I'm sure you'll see it though. But it's the Box Sieve Even Floral Tech. I guess it's called the Floral Tech. You know, they have everything abbreviated, and it's I am cocky multi. So, but you'll see it. Once you see it on there, you'll know what it is. I got it at a really good steal. They dropped the price for one. And then on top of that, they was offering an additional 15% off of it, right? And then I went through Rakuten, and Rakuten was giving 10% back. So you guys know, right? Your girl walked away with this, like, I was like, what? Score! And then y'all know what else I did. I made even more money because I purchased it with one of my cashback reward credit cards. And then I just took that cash and I paid that balance right back off. But I got the 10% back on the entire purchase. So, hey, it's a win-win. All right. Thank you, dolls. I will see you in the very next video. We are probably going outside tomorrow. I have to finish up some Christmas gifts. So I've been doing everything online, but I do need to get out and get a couple things. Just a little tiny things I want to wrap up. So I'll take you guys outside with me. I'll see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow. Okay. You guys be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today. It's never goodbye. See you later.